Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that WhatsApp new update. The update name is HD quality photos sent by WhatsApp. For the settings, you have to open WhatsApp. You can send HD photos from your device on any chat. Then you have to click here and click to gallery option. Then select a photo from your gallery and here you can see HD option. If you select HD, photo quality will be HD. HD photos are clearer. Standard photos use less storage space and are faster to send. Click to HD quality. If you select HD quality, the HD clear quality will be sent to the recipients. Friends, see guys, the HD quality photo has been sent to him. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.